Hello, officers. Today we will cover the topic Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization is also known as the Harappa Civilization. Archaeologists use the term culture for a group of objects distinctive in style that are usually found together within a specific geographical area and at a period of time. In the case of Harappa culture, these distinctive objects include seals, beads, weights, stone blades, and even baked bricks. The Harappan seal is possibly the most distinctive artifact of the Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. John Marshall, Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, announced the discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world in 1921. Harappa is located in the Montgomery district. Currently, it is Sahiwal district of Punjab province, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro is located on the right bank of the Indus River in Larkana district of Sindh province, Punjab, Pakistan. According to the Stuart Pigott, the two cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, were twin capital of an extensive kingdom. Harappa is located at the left bank of Ravi River. The carbon 14 dating process indicate the Harappan period to be from 2300 BC to 1700 BC, which is highly accepted. During the period 2300 BC to 1900 BC, the growth of the civilization was at its peak. Mesopotamia and Egyptian civilization are contemporary to the Indus civilization. The timeline of the Indus Valley civilization by various researchers. John Marshall given the timeline 3250 BC to 2750 BC. Ernest Mackay given the timeline 2800 BC to 2500 BC. Madho Sarup was given the timeline 3500 BC to 2000 BC. CJ Gad 2350 BC to 1700 BC. Mortimer Wheeler 2500 BC to 1500 BC. Walter A. Fairservice 2000 BC to 1500 BC. The Harappan culture covered part of Afghanistan, Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan in Pakistan and in India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, fringes of western Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, western Maharashtra. It extended from Manda, Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Damawad, Maharashtra in the south, and from the Sutkau Jandar of Balochistan in the west to Alamgirpur, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh in the east. The area formed a triangle and accounted for about 13 lakh square kilometer, which is larger than Pakistan and certainly bigger than ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. As the evidence stand, the population of Mohenjo-daro was a mixture of at least four races: Proto-Australoids, Mediterraneans, Alpines, Mongolites, founders of Indus Valley Civilization based on the assessment of various archaeologists. Archaeologist Dr. Lakshman Sarup, founder is Arya, V. Golden Childe and Wheeler, Sumerians, Rakaldas Banerjee, Dravidians. The cities excavated in Indus Valley area can be categorized in the following group: Central City, Coastal City and Dockyard, other cities and town. Four major cities of Indus Valley Civilization, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Banabali, and Dholavira were the large towns. Vast mounds were first reported by Charles Mason in 1826. January 1921, Mr. Dayaram Sahni surveyed the Harappa site in the Montgomery district, currently in Sahiwal of Punjab, Pakistan, on the left bank of Ravi River, and excavation process started with continuity. During the year 1926-27 to 1933-34, Mr. Madhu Sarup Basan in the year 1946, Mr. Mortimer Wheeler had started the excavation process. Harappa had two mounds. The eastern side mound was known as City Mound and the western one was called as Citadel Mound. The remnants of granary were available in the form of 12 rooms, which were arranged in the form of two rows each, having 6 rooms each. The first artifact uncovered in Harappa was a unique stone seal carved with a unicorn and an inscription. Similar seals with different animal symbol and writing have been found throughout the region. Although the writing has not yet been deciphered, evidence found during the early archaeological excavation is a major source to know about the Harappan culture. The figures of elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, deer, sheep, etc. are depicted on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture. but the cow was not depicted on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture. Mohenjo-daro is a Sindhi language word whose literal translation means mound of the dead. Mohenjo-daro is located on the right bank of the Indus River in Larkana district in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by Rakuldas Banerjee in 1922. The most important public place of Mohenjo-daro seems to be Great Bath. This Great Bath seems to have been used for ritual bathing. In Mohenjo-daro, a large building in the form of ruins have been obtained. This is in line in the northeast direction of Great Bath with a dimension 70.1 into 23.77 meter. This building perhaps meant for the residence of a very high official, possibly the high priest himself or a college of priests. The main quality of Mohenjo-daro was their roads. The main road had a width of 9.15 meter, which is known as Rajpath. The straight road intersect each other at right angle, and the parted roads form square and quadrangle shapes. The artifacts found from Mohenjo-daro are Mother Goddess idol, dancing girl statue, a seated male soapstone, priest king, Pasupati Shiva seal, and a skeleton in the well's teeth of horse, evidence of cotton cloth, etc. Chanodaro, situated about 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro, was discovered by N.G. Majumdar in 1931, excavated on a large scale by E.J.H. Hake in 1935-36. Remnants of Chukkar and Jhangar culture were found at this site. This place may have been an industrial hub where shell making, bangle making, bead making took place. Ornamented elephant toys, vestige of a dog that followed a cat, lipstick, etc., have been found at this site. Lothal is situated on the Bhogwa River in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat. It was discovered by S.R. Rao. Along the eastern side of the town was a brick basin which has been identified as dockyard by its excavator. Lothal city on the basis of planning and material goods seems to be micro Harappa or micro Mohenjo-daro city. The evidence of rice husk, metal workers, shell ornament makers, bead makers, shop, the fire elders, terracotta figurine of a horse, a terracotta model of a ship, Persian seal, painted jar, etc. has been found here. Kalibangan is located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. Excavation was started by V.B. Lal and B.K. Thapar in 1960-61. Plowed field surface has been found at the site. The pieces of evidence of Mesopotamian seals, wheels of a toy cart, fire altars are found here. Dholabira, which is the second largest site of Harappan civilization in India after Rakhigari, is located in Run of Kutch, Gujarat. R.S. West and his colleague excavated it in 1990-91. Dholavira is one of the most prominent archaeological sites of Harappa, which gives us important information about Great Bath and Reservoir, which was of 7 meter in depth and 79-meter long. The town was built in a rectangular shape. It was divided into three parts: Citadel, Middle Town, and Lower Town. People of Dholavira were familiar with the advanced water management system. From the earliest evidence, people used to store water in this reservoir by building dams. Surko Tada is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. The evidence of horse bones and pot burials has been found here. Daimabad is situated on the left bank of Pravara River in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. This site was discovered by B.P. Bopardikar in 1958. Daimabad is famous for the recovery of many bronze goods, some of which were influenced by Harappan culture. Rakhigari is situated in the Hisar district of Haryana. This site is located in the Ghaggar-Hakra river plain. This site is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization in India. Ropar, Punjab is located on the left bank of river Satluj. Current name of the city is Roopnagar. This city was discovered by B.B. Lal in 1950. This site was excavated by Yagya Dutt Sharma in 1953-55. Rangpur is located in Saurashtra region of Western India on the coast of Arabian Sea in Gujarat state. On the basis of large vegetative remains, it can be said that these people used to cultivate rice, bajra, and sorghum. The Daderi Kotla Daderi was a prehistoric excavation site of Govindgarh district, Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab. The Daderi is known for its painted grey ware culture, which is supposed to be associated with the arrival of Aryans. Major sites of Indus Valley civilization, their related rivers. Harappan site is situated on Ravi River. Mohenjo-daro site is located on Indus River. Kalibangan site is located on Gaggar River. Lothal site is located on Bhogwa River. Ropar site is located on Satluj River. Manda site is located on Chenab River. Damawal site is located on Pravra River. Alamgirpur site is located on Hindon River. Sutka Janta site is located on Dast River. Bhagwanpura site located on Saraswati River. Alamgirpur is located in Meerut district of Uttar Pradesh. It is situated along the Hindon River. A small terracotta bead-like structure coated with gold and evidence of cloth was found at the site. Utensil with triangle, peacock and squirrel impression were found here. Hulas is located in Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Handmade and wheel-made pottery with geometric or naturalistic designs painted in black. Chert plates, bone points, etc. have been found here. Banabli is located in the Fatehabad district of Haryana. Clay figure of the mother goddess and toy plough have been found here. Bhagwanpura is located in Kurukshetra district, Haryana. It is located on the southern bank of river Saraswati. The site was excavated by J.P. Joshi. Manda is situated on the bank of river Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. It was excavated by J.P. Joshi and Madhubala in 1982. It is considered a site used to procure wood from Himalayan region and send them downstream to other town of the Indus Valley civilization. Sinoli is an archaeological site located in Barao Tehsil, Bagpat district, Uttar Pradesh, where 125 graves belonging to Indus Valley civilization were found. These graves are oriented in the north-south direction. Most are identified as a primary human burial. Some of the burial are found with animal bones, gold, copper, bangles. Harappans were known to silver. The evidence of its proper use has been found from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These people used to get silver from mines of Jawar and Ajmer in Rajasthan. Other sources of silver for Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were Afghanistan and Iran. The Harappan pottery is bright or dark red and uniformly sturdy and well-baked. It consists of a wheel-made wares, both plain and painted. The plain wares are usually of red clay with or without a fine red slip. The painted pottery was of red and black color. Several methods were used by for the decoration of pottery. Polychrome pottery was rare and mainly comprised small vases decorated with geometric patterns, mostly in red, black, and green, and less frequently in white and yellow. The color scheme adopted for painting was light black, chocolate, or light red over buff or greenish. The background: the Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. People of this age were not familiar with iron. The drainage system was advanced and covered with slabs. The trade and commerce were in an advanced stage. The pieces of evidence of both internal and external trade have been found. Many pieces of evidence of worshipping of Mother Goddess from Indus Valley have been found. Marshall identified the figure which he found during excavation as an early form of Hindu god Shiva or Rudra or Pasupati, lord of animals, from the excavation of Harappa. Pasupati seal is in which three-faced male god is shown sitting in a yogic posture surrounded by rhino and buffalo on the right side and an elephant and tiger on the left side make the historian conclude that the people of those days worshipped Lord Shiva in cylindrical stone so that the people worshipped lingam, symbol of Lord Shiva. Cotton was first cultivated in India for clothing. The evidence of the earliest cotton cultivation was found in excavation in India. From India, it reached to Greece, where it was called a Sindon. The cotton cultivation in India started in 3000 BC, while it was cultivated in Egypt in 2500 BC. Indus Valley civilization is considered to be a secular civilization with no trace of theocratic or organized religion. No temple or place of worship have been found after excavation from Indus Valley civilization. Till date, the only religious source from this civilization is statues made of mud and stone and seals, which were found here. By this, it is known that female deities Shiva or Pashupati and animals like snake, elephant were worship of plant and trees or inanimate stone or other object in the form of linga or yoni symbol are famous during that period. Major metals and their production site. Copper metal production site is Khetri, Rajasthan, Balochistan, and Oman. Lazurite metal production site is Badakhshan, Afghanistan. Tin metal production site Iran, Afghanistan. Silver Metal is produced in Jowar and Ajmer mines of Rajasthan, Afghanistan, and Iran. Lead metal is produced in Afghanistan, Iran, and Rajasthan. Shilajit is produced in Himalaya. Garnet stone granite is produced in Gujarat. Gold is produced in South India, Karnataka. Ancient Egyptian civilization flourished along the bank of River Nile for almost 3,000 years. Nile that is known as lifeline of Egypt. The Nile is a famous major north flowing river in northeastern Africa, generally regarded as the longest river in the world. Indus Valley civilization and Mesopotamian civilization of Iraq are the contemporary civilization. The correct sequence of the civilization from north to south is Aztec, Maya, Moisco, and Inca. The expansion of Aztec civilization was on the northern part of Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica included the region from central Mexico, valleys, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, northern Costa Rica. Mayan civilization was spread over the southern part of Mesoamerica. Morisco civilization was distributed in the eastern part of Colombia. South America continent, whereas Inca civilization is spread in the western part of South America till the north of Quito and Santiago to the south. People of Sumerian civilization were the first to develop the art of writing in a proper system. Their original script was very simple and primitive. Cuneiform script of Sumeria is generally known as one of the earliest system of writing. Researchers and their opinion on the disappearance of Indus Valley civilization. Region of devastation. Flood is the region of devastation given by the researcher Marcel Mackey and S.R. Rao. Attack of Argent. Region of devastation is given by the researcher Gordon Childers, Mortimer Wheeler, and Stuart Pivot. Climate change is region given by the researcher Oral Steam Amalananda Ghosh. Geological change is the region given by researcher Emma Shiny, S.T. Lambrick, G.F. Dales. Epidemic is the region given by the researcher K.U.R. Kennedy. Now, time for the exercise. Question number 1. Human society is unique because it depends mainly on option given is culture, economy, religion, and science. So the correct answer is economy. Human society mainly depend on economy. As economy changes, human society changes accordingly. Next question: which of the following is related to Harappan civilization? Option given is Sumerian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization, Mesopotamian civilization. So the correct answer is Indus Valley civilization. Harappa is an archaeological site related to Indus Valley civilization. Since the first archaeological evidence of this civilization was obtained from Harappa, Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappa civilization. Along with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, it was one of the three ancient civilizations of the world. Next question in Indus civilization existed in option given is prehistoric age, protohistoric age, historic age, protohistoric age. So the post-historic age. So the correct answer is protohistoric age. Historical period is determined with respect to the available written literature. The period before which knowledge of the art of writing was not available is called early historical age. Early civilization is proto-historical civilization, although the writing was known during this period, but it is still to be deciphered. Next question: Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because option given are it was an urban civilization, it has its own script, it has an agricultural economy, it extended up to Narmada Valley. So the correct answer is it was an urban civilization. Indus Valley civilization was an earliest known urban civilization of Indian subcontinent, whereas Aryan civilization was rural civilization. Next question is the important region to keep Indus Valley civilization before Aryan civilization is correct. Given option is script, town planning, copper, and potteries. So the correct answer is potteries. Knowledge of script and town planning of Indus Valley civilization was more developed than that of pre-Aryan. Different archaeological pieces of evidence of pottery have been found in the early settlement of America from the Indus Valley civilization. Pottery found during excavation proved that Indus Valley civilization existed before Aryan civilization. The red potteries painted with black figures were the speciality of Harappan civilization, whereas the grey painted potteries were used by Aryans. Next question is Indus Valley's culture was different from the Vedic civilization because option given are it had the amenities of developed city life, it has a pictographic script, it lacked knowledge of iron and defensive arrow, and all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. The culture of Indus Valley civilization was different from the Vedic culture in many ways. Indus Valley civilization was urban, while Vedic culture was rural. Script of Indus Valley civilization was of depictive expression. People of Indus Valley civilization did not know the use of iron, whereas people of Vedic civilization used iron weapon extensively. Next question is source of knowledge about Harappan's culture is option given are rock edit, writing in terracotta seals, archaeological excavation, all of them. So the correct answer is archaeological excavation. The first artifact uncovered in Harappa was a unique stone seal carved with a unicorn and a spray inscription. Similar seals with different animal symbols and writing have been found throughout the region, although the writing has not yet been deciphered. Evidence found during the early archaeological excavation is the major source to know about the Harappan culture. Next question is which of the following throw light on Harappan culture? Option given are inscription, archaeological excavation, handwriting, seals on the utensil, religious wood. So the correct answer is archaeological excavation. The next question is main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilization is the discovery of option given are seals, utensil, jewelry, weapons, tools, temple, script. So the correct answer is seals. In site of Indus Valley civilization was excavated in the year 1921, and objects such as tools, weapons, ornaments of archaeological or historical interest were found there. But the main source to know about this civilization is seals. There were more than 3,000 seals found. Next question is which of the following match is not correct regarding the origin of Harappan civilization? M. Rafiq Mughal, E. J. H. Mackay, Mortimer Wheeler, Amlanand Ghosh. So the wrong match is M. Rafiq Mughal. Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization, and the correct one is E.J.H. Mackay. Migration of people from Sumer. Mortimer Wheeler. Migration of the idea of civilization from Western Asia. Amlanand Ghosh. Harappan culture matured to make Harappan civilization. Explanation for this about the origin of Harappan civilization. Many scholars have presented different views. E.J.H. Mackay has considered that the origin of Harappan civilization was due to the migration of people from Sumer, Mesopotamia, while historian D.H. Gordon and Mortimer Wheeler considered that the Harappan civilization was the result of migration of idea of civilization from Western Asia. In this context, Amlanand Ghosh considered that pre-Harappan culture matured into Harappan civilization. M.F. Rafiq Mughal considered that the development of Harappan civilization occurred in the region of Ravi River at Harappa. He refutes the old belief that Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. Next question is matching Harappa is found by N.G. Majumdar, Hastinapur, John Marshall, Takshila, Dayaram Shani, Kosambi, BBL. So the correct matching is Harappa is excavated by Dayaram Shahini, Hastinapur by V.V. Lal, Takshila by John Marshall, Kosambi by N.G. Majumdar. Next question is earliest evidence of silver in India is found in the correct given option is Harappan culture, Chalcolithic culture of Western India, Vedic text, silver punch mark coins. So the correct answer is Harappan culture. Harappans were known to silver. The evidence of its proper use has been found from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These people used to get silver from mines of Jawar and Ajmer in Rajasthan. Next question is which color was commonly used in the Harappan pottery? Option given are red, blue, gray, yellow, blue. Correct answer is red. Harappan pottery is bright or dark red and uniformly sturdy, and Baalbek is consist of wheel made wares, both plain and painted. The plain ware is usually of red clay with or without a fine red slip. The painted pottery was of red and black color. Several methods were used by people for the decoration of pottery. Polychrome pottery was rare and mainly comprised small vases decorated with geometric pattern, mostly in red, black, and green, and less frequently in white and yellow. The color scheme adopted for painting was a light black, chocolate, or light red over buff or greenish buff background. Next question is the beginning of idol worship is to be considered in given option as pre-Aryan, Later Vedic period, Mauryan period, Kushan period. So the correct answer is Pre-Aryan. The Pre-Aryan period is considered as the beginning of idol worship. Idol worship was prevalent in Indus civilization, and it is written from the coins discovered from Mohenjo-daro having the seal of God. They probably worshipped mother goddess in addition to the male and female deities. Next question is, which one of the following animals was not represented on the seal and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Option given are cow, elephant, tiger, rhinoceros. So the correct answer is cow. The figure of elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, deer, sheep, etc. are depicted on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture, but the cow was not depicted on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture. Next question is, which one of the following is not a Harappan site? Option given are Chanhodaro, Kodiji, Sohagora, Desalpur. So the correct answer is Sohagora. Sogora is a village located on the bank of Rapti River in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. A copper plate inscription of Mauryan period has been found here, which gives us information about the storehouses present here. Chanudaro, Kordiji, and Disalpur are Harappan site. Chanudaro and Kordiji are present in the current Sindh province of Pakistan, whereas Disalpur is located in the Kutch region of Gujarat. The next question is matching ancient site is given and their archaeological finding. Lothal ploughed field, Kalibangan dockyard, Dholavira terracotta replica of plough Banavali, an inscription comprising 10 large size sign of the Harappan inscription. So the correct answer is the archaeological remains of the Harappan port town of Lothal was located along the Bhogwa River, a tributary of Savarmati in the Gulf of Cambay. Kalibangan town is located on the bank of Ghaggar River, Saraswati River in Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. Kalibangan has given the evidence of earliest ploughed agricultural field ever revealed through excavation. An inscription comprising 10 large size signs of the Harappan script were found from Dholavira of Harappan script. Banavli is located in Fatehabad district of Haryana, from where a terracotta replica of a plough was found. Next question is, a ploughed field was discovered at option given are Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Harappa and Lothal. So the correct answer is Kalibangan. Next question is, in which of the following Harappan cities furrows of ploughed field have been found? Option given are Kalibangan, Dholavira, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal. None of them have more than one of them. So the correct answer is Kalibangan. Next question is, matching Harappa, Lothal, Kalibangan, Mohenjo-daro, and other side options are cemetery, dockyard, dancing girl statue, and furrowed land. So the correct matching is Harappa, cemetery, R37, Lothal, dockyard, Kalibangan, furrowed land, Mohenjo-daro, dancing girl statue. Then the next question of matching, one side option are given Harappa, Hastinapur, Nagarjuna and Pathan. Other side options are given Godavari, Ravi, Ganga, Krishna. So the correct answer is Harappa is situated on Ravi River, Hastinapur is situated on Ganga River, Nagarjuna Kunda is situated on Krishna River, Paithan is situated on Godavari River. Next question is again mapping Harappan settlement, river on which located. So in matching one side options are given Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal, Ropar. Other side options are given Bhogwar, Khaggar, Ravi and Satluj. So the correct answer is Harappa river. Harappa is situated on Ravi river, Kalibangan is situated on Ghaggar river, Lothal is situated on Bhogwa river and Ropar is situated on Satluj river. Next question, Harappa was situated on the bank of river. Option given are Bias, Satluj, Ravi, and Ghaggar. So the correct answer is Ravi. Great Bath was found from Indus Valley civilization. At option given are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, and Kalibangan. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Great Bath is one of the well-known structure among the ruins of ancient Indus Valley civilization and Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. The foundation of Great Bath measures 55 meter north-south and 33 meter east-west. In the middle of Great Bath, the pond measures 11.8 meter into 7.04 meter and the maximum depth of 2.4 meter. Next question is, Great Bath was found at the archaeological site of option given are Ropar, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Kalibangan. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Next question is, from which archaeological site of Indus Valley civilization the figure or models of boat are found? Option given are Harappa and Kodiji, Kalibangan, Ropar. Dholavira and Bhagatre, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. Clay model boats have been found from Lothal excavation. From Mohenjo-daro, seals having models of boat were discovered during excavation. Next question is, which of the following statement about the Indus Valley is not true? Option given are accurate drainage system in city, trade and commerce were in an advanced stage, worshipping of mother goddess, people knew about iron. So the correct answer is people knew about iron. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. People of this age were not familiar with iron. Drainage system was advanced and covered with slabs. The trade and commerce were in an advanced stage. The pieces of evidence of both internal and external trade have been found. Many pieces of evidence of worshipping of Mother Goddess from Indus Valley have been found. Next question is, based on the finding of excavation of Harappan civilization, what are not true? Statement given are, for all kind of construction, same size of brick were used. Mostly all the houses were right, single story. Main roads were on average 10 meter in width. So the correct answer is statement 1 and 2 are correct. For all kind of construction, same size of brick were used. Mostly all the houses were single story. Explanation for the Indus Valley civilization, both baked and raw bricks were used. Generally, the dimensional ratio of burnt brick received from all the Indus town was 4 is to 2 is to 1. However, ornamental bricks from Kalibangan and curved bricks from Chanudaru have been found. Most of the houses built in the Indus Valley civilization were built with one story only, but some houses were also built with two story, as evidence of stairs have been found from some houses. The width of road in Harappan cities was generally 10 meter. Next question, Indus Valley civilization is known for, option given, statement given are, for its town planning, for Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, for their agriculture work, for its industrialization. So the correct answer is all of the above. Explanation for this. Town planning was the unique feature of Indus Valley civilization. The cities and towns were well planned. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were two major cities of Indus Valley civilization. Since the Harappa site was discovered first, that is why it is known as Harappa civilization. Kalibangan in Rajasthan has given the first evidence of the ploughed agriculture field, and evidence of business has been found from Lothal. Next question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? One side option is given, Alamgir related to UP, Lothal Gujarat, Kalibangan Haryana, Ropar Punjab. So the incorrect matching is Kalibangan Haryana. Kalibangan is located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. It was discovered by Leo Pio Tessitore, an Italian Indologist, and was excavated by Agos in 1950-52. As in Harappan site, the excavation revealed that the western mold was a fortified enclosure with rectangular salients and towns. Next question is, which one of the following center related to Indus Valley civilization are located in Uttar Pradesh? Option given are Kalibangan, Lothal, Alamgirpur, Hulas. So the correct answer is Alamgirpur and Hulas. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan, Lothal is in Gujarat, Alamgir is situated in Meerut, UP, and Hulas is situated in Saharanpur, UP. Next question is, which one of the following Harappan site is in Gujarat? Option given are Lothal, Dabarkot, Kalibangan, Rakhigari, none of them are more than one of those. So the correct answer is Lothal. Next question is, for the Harappan cultural site and its position, which of the following is not correctly matched? Alamgirpur, UP, Panabli, Haryana, Daimabad, Maharashtra, Rakhigari, Rajasthan. So the incorrect matching is Rakhigari, which is in Haryana. Rakhigari village is situated in Hisar district of Haryana along the bank of Ghaggar Hakra river. And next question is, eastern boundary of Harappan culture is indicated by which of the following? Option given are Manda, Harappa, Alamgirpur, Rakhigari. So the correct answer is Alamgirpur. Eastern boundary of Harappan culture is indicated by Alamgirpur, Meerut, UP. Western boundary is indicated by Sutka gender, Baluchistan, Pakistan, northern boundary by Manda, Jammu and Kashmir, and southern boundary by Damabad, Maharashtra. Next question is, matching Harappan sites is given and other site location is given. Manda, Damabad, Kalibangan, Rakhigari, Rajasthan, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra. So the correct matching is Manda is situated in Jammu and Kashmir, Damawad is located in Maharashtra, Kalibangan is located in Rajasthan, Rakhigari is located in Haryana. Next question is again on matching. Harappan site in UT state of India, Balu, Manda, Padri and Hulas. Other side states are given UP, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Gujarat. So the correct matching is Balu is in Haryana, Manda site is in Jammu and Kashmir, Padri site is in Gujarat, Hulas is in UP. Next question is which of the following site of Harappan culture are located in Sindh? Option given are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanodaro and Surpur. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro and Chanodaro. Among the given option, Harappa is located in Punjab, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro and Chanodaro both are located in Sindh province in Pakistan, and Surpur is located in Gujarat. Next question is Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? Option given are Gujarat state of India, Pakistan, Punjab state of India, Sindh province of in Pakistan and Afghanistan. So the correct answer is Sindh province in Pakistan. Next question is excavation at Chanodaro are directed by option given are J.H. Mackay, Sir John Marshall, R.M. Wheeler, Sir Oral Steen. So the correct answer is J.M. Mackay. The ruined township of Chanodaro, situated near about 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro, was discovered by N.G. Majumdar in 1931 and excavated on a large scale by E.J.H. Mackay in 1935-36. Mackay found bead making factory and furnace here. Some face cut brick were found at Chanodaro. Next question is which site is of Indus Valley is now in Pakistan? Option given are Kalibangan, Harappa, Lothal, and Alamgirpur. So the correct answer is Harappa is an archaeological site in Montgomery district of Punjab province, now in Sahiwal district of Pakistan. It is located on the bank of Ravi River. Kalibangan is located in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. Lothal is in Gujarat. Alamgirpur is located in Uttar Pradesh. Next question is Rangpur, where the contemporary of Harappan civilization was found, is in option given are Punjab, Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Saurashtra, Rajasthan. So the correct answer is Saurashtra. Rangpur is located in Saurashtra region of Western India on the coast of Arabian Sea in Gujarat state. On the basis of large vegetative remains, it can be said that these people used to cultivate rice, bajra, and sorghum. Next question is Daderi is a late Harappan site of option given Jammu, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer is Punjab. Daderi Kotla Daderi was a prehistoric excavation site of Gobindgarh district, Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab. Daderi is known for its painted graveware culture, which is supposed to be associated with the arrival of Aryans. Next question is which site of Indus Valley civilization is located in India? Option given are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, none of the above. So the correct answer is Lothal. Lothal is situated near the village of Saragwala in the Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat. It is situated on the bank of Bhogwa River. It was discovered by S.R. Rao in 1954. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are situated in Punjab. Next question is Harappan city represented by the archaeological site of Lothal was situated on the river. Option given are Narmada, Mahi, Bhogwa and Bhima river. So the correct answer is Bhogwa. Next question is Harappan civilization Lothal is situated in option given are Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sindh. So the correct answer is Gujarat. Next question is port city of Indus Valley civilization was option given are Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal and Mohenjo-daro. So the correct answer is Lothal. Lothal is the only place of Indus Valley civilization from where pieces of evidence of port have been found, which is located in the east of the city. Next question is which of the following is a Harappan port? Option given are Alexandria, Lothal, Mahasthangar, Nagapattinam. So the correct answer is Lothal. Next question is what is the most significant feature of Indus Valley civilization? Option given are burnt brick building, first roof arches, buildings of workshop, worship, art and architecture. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. The use of burnt brick in the construction of building was one of the main features of Indus Valley civilization. Burnt brick were used in abundance in Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. In Lothal, burnt brick were used in construction of drainage, well-planned architecture, advanced trade and commerce were other main feature of this civilization. Next question is at which of the following Indus Valley sites was a terracotta replica relating to Exploration of a plough discovered. Option given are Dholabira, Kalibangan, Rakhigari, and Banavli. So the explanation for this, according to the Archaeological Survey of India, terracotta plough along with ploughed field have been found from the early phases of the Kalibangan site, Rajasthan. Apart from this, terracotta plough has also been recovered from the Indus site named Banavli, located in Fatehabad district of Haryana. Next question is, which among the following Harappan site terracotta plough was found? Option given are Dholavira, Banavli, Kalibangan, Lothal. None of them, more than one of the above. Next question is, which of the following is not an Indus Valley civilization site? Option given are Kalibangan, Ropar, Patliputra, Lothal. So the correct answer is Patliputra. Kalibangan, Ropar, and Lothal are related to Indus Valley civilization, but Patliputra, adjacent to modern day Patna, was not associated with Indus Valley civilization. Next question is, largest city of Harappa is located in, option given are Alamgirpur, Kalibangan, Lothal, or Rakhigari. So the correct answer is Rakhigari. Largest site of Indus Valley civilization in India is Rakhigari, Hisar district of Haryana. Next question is, biggest Harappan site in India is Rakhigari, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Lothal. So the correct answer is Rakhigari. Next question, Indus Valley civilization which was placed on the bank of river, they were Sindhu, Chenab, Jhelum, and Ganga. So the correct answer is Sindhu, Chenab, and Jhelum. Explanation for this, geographically, Indus Valley civilization was spread from Jhelum River to Hindon River, a tributary of Yamuna River in South Alamgirpur. It consists of rivers like Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Jhelum, but Ganga River did not belong to this. Then the next question is, people of Indus Valley believed in spirit and Brahma ritual sacrificial system, mother goddess. So the explanation for this undeciphered script of Indus civilization has attracted speculations and hypotheses. People of Indus civilization probably worship Mother Goddess Lord Shiva. They may have performed yagya, fire pit found in Rajasthan and Gujarat site. Burial rituals indicate belief in Atma or spirit. Evidence of human sacrifice were also found in Mohenjo-daro. Next question is, Indus Valley people worship, option given are Shiva, Indra, and Varun, Brahma, and Vishnu. So the correct answer is Shiva. Marshall identified the figure which he found during excavation as an early form of Hindu god Shiva or Rudra or Pasupati, lord of animals. From the excavation of Harappa, the Pasupati seal, in which the three-faced male god is shown sitting in a yogic posture surrounded by a rhino and buffalo on the right side, an elephant and a tiger on the left side, make the historian conclude that people of those days worshipped Lord Shiva's cylindrical stone, so that people worship Lingam and symbol of Lord Shiva. Next question, who was the director of archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappan and Mohenjo-daro? Option given are Lord Macaulay, Sir John Marshall, Clive, Colonel Third. So the correct answer is Sir John Marshall. Sir John Marshall was the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India from 1900 to 1928. He appointed Mr. Dayaram Saini, who carried out excavation in the Sahiwal district of Punjab province, Pakistan, on the left bank of Ravi River. Mr. Saini excavation led to finding of dunes of Harappa in 1921. Mr. Rakaldas Banerjee dug out of the ruins of the city of Mohenjo-daro, Larkana district of Sindh province, Pakistan in 1922. Next question is, two Indians who were associated with discovery of Indus Valley civilization are, option given are Rakal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Saini, John Marshall and Ishwari Prasad. Next is Ashirwadi Lal Srivastava and Rangnath Rao. Next option is Madhav Swarup Vas and V.V. Rao. So the correct answer is Rakal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Saini. Next question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Harappa, Dayaram Saini, Lothal, S.R. Rao, Surkodda, J.P. Joshi, Dholavira, V.K. Thapar. So the incorrect matching is Dholavira, V.K. Thapar. Harappa was excavated by Dayaram Saini, Lothal was by S.R. Rao, Surkodda by J.P. Joshi, but Dholavira was not excavated by V.K. Thapar. Instead, it was excavated by R.S. West. Next question is, the first archaeologist who excavated Harappa but could not recognize its significance was, Option given are A. Cunningham, Sir John Marshall, Mortimer Wheeler, George F. Dales. So the correct option is A. Cunningham. Alexander Cunningham, who headed the Archaeological Survey of India, visited the site in 1853 AD and 1856 AD. Cunningham made a few small excavations at the site and reported some discoveries of ancient pottery, stone tools, and a stone seal, but did not recognize its significance. Next question is, who among the following was not associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Option given are R.D. Banerjee, Kian Dixit, M.S. Words, V.A. Smith. Correct answer is V.A. Smith. In 1921, Dayaram Saini excavated Harappa from 1926-27 to 1930-34. MS was associated with the excavation of Harappa. Mohenjo-daro excavation were done in 1922 by Rakhaldas Banerjee. In addition to him, some other scholars like K.N. Dixit, Ernest Mackay, Aurel Steen, A. Ghosh, J.P. Joshi also contributed in the discovery of this civilization. Hence, it is clear that B.A. Smith was not associated with the discovery of Harappa civilization, rather was a ace Indologist and historian. Next question is, who among the following discovered Surkota, the site of Harappan culture? Option given are B.B. Lal, S.R. Rao, B.D. Sharma, Jagatpati Joshi. So the correct answer is Jagatpati Joshi. Surkota is situated in Kutch district of Gujarat. It was discovered and excavated by Jagatpati Joshi. From which one of the following places remains of bells have been found in houses belonging to the developed stage of Indus Valley civilization? Option given are Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal, and Mohenjo-daro. So the explanation for this answer is remains of well and bathroom have been found in approximately every major city of Indus civilization. So all the options can be correct. Next question is, what is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? Option given are gold coins, punch marked silver coins, iron plough, and urban culture. So the correct chronological order is urban culture, iron plough, then punch mark silver coin, then gold coin. Harappan civilization, the most ancient civilization of India, is famous for its town planning. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. The knowledge of iron was known much later after bronze during post-Vedic period around 1000 BC. The first punch mark coin came into existence in India during 7th to 6th century BC. Gold coin were introduced by the Indo-Greek ruler during the 2nd century BC. Next question is, first metal used by man was option given as gold, silver, copper, and iron. So the correct answer is copper. Copper was the metal which was first used by humans, though there is variation in the period around the globe as far as the use of copper is concerned. Next question is, an ivory scale in Harappan context was found at option given are Kalibangan, Lothal, Dholavira, and Vanavli. So the correct answer is Lothal. An ivory scale in the Harappan context was found at Lothal. Lothal is a place associated with Indus Valley civilization, currently in Gujarat. Next question is, which metal has so far not been discovered in Harappan site? Option given are copper, gold, silver, and iron. So the correct answer is iron. Harappan civilization is also known as the Bronze Age civilization. From here, pieces of evidence of gold, silver, and copper and brass have been found, except iron. In fact, the people of Harappa were not aware of iron. In India, the beginning of iron is considered to be from the later Vedic period, approximately 1000 BC. Next question is, which one among the following site is located in the valley of Ghaggar and its associated river? Option given are Alamgirpur, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, and Banabli. So the correct answer is Banabli. Banabli is an archaeological site belonging to Indus Valley civilization period in Fatehabad district, Haryana. Banabli is located in the valley of Ghaggar and its tributary. Next question is, consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the given quote. Option statement given are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropan, and Kalibangan are the main site of Indus Valley civilization. People of Harappa developed the road, proper housing, and drainage system. Next statement is, people of Harappa were unknown about the use of metal. So the correct answer is 1 and 2. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, Ropan, Lothal, and Kalibangan are the main site of Indus Valley civilization. In this civilization, most of the cities were Designed in a grid pattern, a proper drainage system was aligned with along the road, which was covered with big stone and brick. This the form of art were found from various sites of this civilization, including seals, pottery, gold ornament, and necklaces. Next question is assertion. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa cities are dead now. Region they were discovered during excavations. In the context of ever, which one of the following statements is correct? So the correct answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Explanation for this Mohenjo-daro now in Pakistan is in the Larkana district of Sindh province on the right bank of the Indus River. Harappa is located in the Sahiwal district of Punjab province of Pakistan. Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Saini were the two archaeologists who excavated the two major cities of Indus Valley civilization. At present, the towns are extinct. Next question is from where the evidence of rock cut architecture are found with reference to Harappa civilization. Option given are Kalibangan, Dholavira, Kotdiji, and Amri. So the correct answer is Dholavira. Dholavira, which is the second largest site of Harappan civilization in India after Rakhigarhi, is located in Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. R.S. West and his colleague excavated this site in 1992. Dholavira is one of the most prominent archaeological sites of Harappa, which gives us important information about Great Bath rock cut reservoir, which was 7 meter deep and 79-meter long. Next question is Dholavira is located in the state of option given are Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, and Rajasthan. So the correct answer is Gujarat. Next question is which Harappan city is divided into three parts? Option given are Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira, and Sutkota. So the correct answer is Dholavira. Explanation for this Dholavira is a Harappan site located in Kutch district of Gujarat. The town was built in a rectangular shape. It was divided into three parts: Citadel, Middle Town, and Lower Town. Next question is in which of the following site remnants of three townships have been revealed? Option given are Mohenjo-daro, Sangol, Kalibangan, Dholavira, none of the above. So the correct answer is Dholavira. Next question is which one of the following ancient town is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dam and channelizing water into connected reservoir? Option given are Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhigari, Ropar. So the correct answer is Dholavira. Dholavira in Gujarat is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoir. Next question: a highly advanced water management system of Harappan time has been unearthed at option given are Alamgirpur, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Lothal. So the correct answer is Dholavira. From Dholavira, a huge rock cut reservoir is found whose size is about 80.4 meter into 12 meter and 7.5 meter deep, having a huge capacity to store water. People of Dholavira were familiar with the advanced water management system. From the earliest evidence, people used to store water in this reservoir by building dams. Next question is which of the following site has yielded evidence of double burial? Option given are Kontasi, Dholavira, Lothal, and Kalibangan. Explanation for this evidence of the three double burial has been found from Lothal. It was an important port of Harappan culture. The evidence of double burial also has been found from Kalibangan and Rakhigari. So, option more than one can be correct from the question. Next question: recently from excavation of Harappan site Sonali, what was found? Option given are human burial, animal burial, residential building, protecting walls. So the correct answer is human burial. Sonali is an archaeological site located in Rao Tehsil, Bagpur district, Uttar Pradesh, where 125 graves belonging to Indus Valley civilization were found. These graves are oriented in a north-south direction and most are identified as primary human burials. Some of the burials are found with animal bones and old copper bangles. Next question: in which state of India is the Harappan civilization site Mandi situated? Option given are Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Mandi is a village in the Muzaffarnagar district of Uttar Pradesh. It became famous after discovery and loot of ancient treasure trove by villagers in June 2000. As per SI, the jewelry found belonged to the late Harappan period. Next question is for clothing. Cotton cultivation was first introduced in option given are Egypt, Mesopotamia, Central America, India. So the correct answer is India. Cotton was first cultivated in India for clothing in 1922. Rakal Das Banerjee took interest in the site of Mohenjo-daro for excavation. Evidence of the earliest cotton cultivation was found by excavation in India. From India is reached Greece, where it was called as Sindon. Sindon. The cotton cultivation in India started in 3000 BC, while it was cultivated in Egypt in 2500 BC. Next question is, which of the following characterizes the people of Indus civilization? The statement given, they possess great palaces and temples. They worship both male and female deities. They employed horse-drawn chariot in warfare. So the correct answer is only two. They worship both male and female deities. Explanation for this: no temple or place of worship has been found in excavation from Indus Valley civilization till date. The only religious source from the civilization is statues made of mud and stone and seals which were found here. By this, it is known that female deities Shiva or Pasupati and animals like snake, elephant were worshipped. Worship of plant and trees or inanimate stone or other object in the form of linga or yoni symbol were famous during that period. Next question regarding the Indus Valley civilization. Consider the following statement. Given a statement, it was predominantly a secular civilization and the religious element, though present, did not dominate the scene. Next statement. During this period, cotton was used for manufacturing textile in India. So the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Explanation for this: Indus Valley civilization is considered to be the secular civilization with no trace of theocratic or organized religion. Cotton textiles were produced during the Harappan period as shown by artifact evidence. Next question is, one of the following sites from where the famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found. Option given are Harappa, Chanodaro, Lothal and Mohenjo-daro. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological site in the province of Sindh, Pakistan, excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. From this site, various sculptures, seal pottery, gold jewelry have been found, but the most famous among them is the Humps bull seal. Next question is, the shape of which tree is found in the seals from the Indus civilization? Option given are mango, people, parijat, sal. So the correct answer is people. Most of the seals discovered from Indus Valley civilization were made of steatite. A few of them were also made of terracotta, agate, chert, etc. Most of the seals were square in shape, but few were in cube, circle, and cylindrical shape. Two people trees represented number of times on Indus seals, depicting that people had important sacred value to Indus people. Next question is, which one of the following animal is not depicted on Harappan seal? Option given are bull, elephant, horse, sheep. So the correct answer is horse. People of Harappan civilization were known to horses, but no pieces of evidence has been found on seal. A great majority of seals found in Indus Valley civilization carry short inscription with figures of the one-horned rhino. Animals most common: the buffalo, tiger, rhinoceros, the goat, and elephant. Next question is, remains of which animal has not been discovered in Indus Valley civilization? Option given are lion, horse, cow, and elephants. So the correct answer is lion. Among these given option, evidence of cow and elephant have been found, and there is some dispute regarding horse, but the latest excavation has revealed the evidence of horse. The evidence of lion from the excavation of Harappan civilization has not been mentioned anywhere. Next question is, which of the following animals was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? Option given are bull, horse, elephant, and none of the above. So the correct answer is none of the above. Among the given options, evidence of bull and elephant have been found. Seal of Jebu bull have been found. Seals depicting elephant has also been found. There is some dispute regarding horse, but latest excavation has revealed the evidence of horse. However, horse did not play any major role during Indus Valley civilization. Next question is, according to the report of IIT Kharagpur study group, continuous low rainfall for how many years was the cause of fall of Indus Valley civilization. Option given are 600 years, 700 years, 800 years, 900 years. So the correct answer is 900 years. According to the report of IIT Kharagpur, the continuous low or negligible rainfall for 900 years was the cause of fall of Indus Valley civilization. In other words, it can be said that continuous drought for 900 years led the fall of Indus Valley civilization. Next question, a horn deity engraved on a terracotta cake has been recovered from option given are Vanabli, Kalibangal, Lothal and Surkoda. So the explanation for this from excavation at Kalibangan, a series of fire altars on mud brick platform were discovered. A triangular terracotta cake found at Kalibangan had a carving of a horned deity on one side, an animal goat was being dragged by a rope by a woman on the other. This shows the way to the emergence of sacrificial tradition in the entire era. Next question is, which of the following civilization flourished on the bank of Nile River? Option given are Roman civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Greek civilization, Egyptian civilization. So the correct answer is Egyptian civilization. Ancient Egyptian civilization flourished along the bank of River Nile for almost 3000 years. Nile River is known as lifeline of Egypt. Nile is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa, generally regarded as the longest river in the world. Indus Valley civilization, India, Mesopotamia, Iraq were other contemporary civilization. Next question: what is the correct north-south sequence of the following civilization? Maya, Aztec, Muisca, and Inca. So the correct answer for this sequence is Aztec, Maya, Muisca, and Inca. The expansion of Aztec civilization was on the northern part of Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica included the region from central Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, and northern Costa Rica. Mayan civilization was spread over the southern part of Mesoamerica. Morisco civilization was distributed in the eastern part of Colombia. South America continent, whereas Inca civilization is spread in the western part of Southern America till the north of Quito and Santiago to the south. Next question is, first ancient civilization to develop the art of writing in a proper system was option given are Indus, Egypt, Sumerian, China. So the correct answer is Sumerian. People of Sumerian civilization was the first to develop the art of writing in a proper system. Their primary script was very similar and primitive. Cuneiform script of Sumeria is generally known as one of the earliest system of writing. Thank you so much, guys.